Privilege logs, participant legends, font indexes, all require name normalization, a task that's a time sink and headache when performed in Excel. I'm going to compare that manual worksheet-based process to the efficient, secure process provided by Milyli's Chronicle. After exporting all of my field values from Relativity, it's time to start cleaning up the log. I'm going to start off by concatenating my priv reason part 1 and part 2 together so I can get my full priv reason. After successfully creating my privilege reason, it's time to move on to name normalization. Note that these columns include multiple variations of my name as well as several other names. I'm going to start working through each one of these names, searching for the original value and correcting it to the normalized version. It doesn't take long before this process becomes frustrating, and this is just one worksheet that's a manageable size. Now, let's leave this recording running, but turn our attention to a parallel universe where I'm using Chronicle to do the same work faster with significantly less risk of error. Starting on the Guided Normalizations tab, I'm immediately presented a set of similar names and a recommendation for which value is the normalized value. With the click of a button, I instantly map all of these aliases to the normalized name. And now, watch as I validate and create these normalized values. Click on the suggestion, input text, edit, and click normalize. Wow, that was fast. Meanwhile, manual me is still hunting down and correcting values, one at a time. He's got a long day ahead, all while creating no reusable work product. The me using Chronicle, however, has secure, reusable work product for future matters, whether it be the next iteration of the same priv log when new documents arrive, or on a future matter for the same client. Trust Chronicle to make work easier, faster, and more valuable long term. If you're ready to add it to your workspace, reach out and let's make it like you like it.